Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss one of the applications of double integrals, that is finding mass of a lamina. What is lamina? Lamina is a thin plate. We want to find mass of that plate. So now what is the shape of the plate? So it is given, it is bounded by the curve x squared plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0 and x-axis. So we'll draw the region and that will give us the plate. The density at any point is given k times the distance of that point from x-axis. So that we'll find out later on how to find out the density. So first is to identify our curve x squared plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So if I simplify this, I get x squared minus 2y plus 4, x squared equals to minus 2, y minus 2. So this is equation of parabola of the type x squared minus 4by with vertex shifted at 0, 2. So if you see x minus h square minus 4b y minus k, vertex is h comma k. So here my vertex will be 0, 2. X minus 0, y minus 2. So 0, 2. So it will be at 0, 2 and symmetric to negative y axis. That will be a downward curve. So we'll draw the region of integration. So this is my parabola and this is my x axis. So lamina is bounded by this 2, so this is my region of lamina. Now I need to find this 2 point of intersection. So point of intersection of parabola and x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y equals to 0. So when I substitute y equals to 0, we get x square minus 4 equals to 0. So x is plus minus 2. So point of intersection is 2, 0 and minus 2, 0. So this is minus 2, this is 2. Now to find out the limits of double integral, in the region, we can either draw strip parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. So for this example, I am considering strip parallel to y-axis. So if we are taking strip parallel to y-axis, we will get limits of y first. So limits of y will be, this will be the starting limit of y and this will be ending limit of y. I am considering strip in the region parallel to y-axis, so I will get limits of y. Limits of y will be from this point to this point, that is x-axis to parabola. And limits of x we'll find out from x-axis where the region cuts our x-axis. So from this point to this point. So this is our x-axis. So starting limit of y is 0. We always move away from the origin. So y equals to 0 to this. So from equation of parabola we can find out value of y. So we'll get value of y as 4 minus x square by 2. So limits of y is 0 to 4 minus x square by 2. Now limits of x from x-axis we can say it is minus 2 to 2. So we have got limits. Now we will find out the density. So we'll consider any point p x comma y in the region. Say suppose this is my point p in the region x comma y. Then density, according to question, it is given as k times the distance of the point from x-axis. What will be distance of this from x-axis? So the y coordinate will be distance of it from x-axis. Yes, if we have point x comma y, x is distance from y-axis and y is distance from x-axis. So here my distance will be y. So density function will become ky. So formula for finding mass of lamina is double integral density function dA. Now since we have taken strip parallel to y-axis, my dA will become dy dx. Density function we have found out ky. So my integral will be dy dx. This is my density function. And limits of y first, because we are having dy. So limits of y we have 0 to 4 minus x square by 2. And limits of x minus 2 to 2. So integrate this. This will be y square by 2. On substituting the limit, we will get k by 8, 4 minus x square the whole square. So apply a minus b the whole square. So we will get k by 8, 16 minus 8x square plus x raised to 4. So integrate this, 16x, integration of x square will be x cubed by 3, x raised to 4 will be x raised to 5 by 5. Our limits of x is minus 2 to 2. So on substituting the limits and on simplifying, we will get value as 4k by 15. So this is the mass of the region that we had drawn.